Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's start on it now. So guys, the radiator fan control module fuses where you can expect to find them. We will demonstrate on this generation Dodge Ram right here. First thing that you need to do, go ahead and open your hood. Here we work in two different places to find fuses. Here guys, on the driver's side in front of the car battery, you have that box that has two notches, one here, one there. Press them and you can flip that cover, remove it, and underneath you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse pulled and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time, and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So here, guys, we need to check one fuse and then we need to go to a different place and check one more. The fuse that we're talking about is fuse number 1. It's that big fuse right here, guys, that fuse. Now, if you come, guys, under the hood, now we're talking about the car battery. Right there, that's a fuse box that we worked under the hood right there. Now on the positive battery terminal, you may have up to 3 different fuses. They may look like this one or they may be rectangular. Here, guys, one of those will be for the radiator fan usually, depending on the model. You may or may not have this one. But one of the fuses is 250 amps, 125, and the one that's 100 amp right here, that's the one that you will need to check, guys, for the radiator fan. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.